Okay, here we have a little question where we're simplifying an algebraic fraction. The top line is the tricky part because the top line is, as you can see, a quadratic and therefore will be solved or factorised into two brackets, but is not easily done by product sum, and the reason being that we've got x and y terms in it. The bottom line is just taking out a common factor. So what we're going to do here is we're going to factorise the top line into two brackets using inspection. Now it's actually really easily done. If you look at the first term can only be achieved by multiplying a 2x by an x. We've no other options there. So if you write in a 2x and an x and a y to give us our y squared. And then the last thing that we look at is the minus 3xy, and because that's minus, we know that the two signs in there are going to have to be, here and here, are going to have to be negative. This shows us that positive sign shows us they have to be the same, so they're going to have to be negative here and here. So negative here and here. That's the top line done, and moving on to the bottom then is very straightforward. We've got a common factor of 2, so we take out a common factor of 2 and we're left with 2x minus y. And you should notice at this point then what we have is a 2x minus y on the top and a 2x minus y on the bottom, so they are a common factor top and bottom that we could divide by. So divide that into the top, divide that into the bottom, and you're left with x minus y on the top all over 2 on the bottom, and that just needs to go into our answer space.